In today's video, we're going to go over Boeing again and talk about taking it from one decision to the next. Now, the last setup that I talked about was, well, I believe it was the end of last week, where we were testing an important decision in Boeing at the 318 to 322 area, and we're watching for buy signals against that zone with risk definition under that zone. Well, now that we've at least started to see a little bit of a rally, we have to look at the next decision on the way up. Because even though typically the trade setup decision would suggest a potential upside target up at the 385 area, you still want to know what's in the way on the way up so that you can manage the trade. So right over here we have a prior low to high swing that was $20.20. And then here you had a prior low to high swing that was $19.93. So what I've done to look for possible resistance or hurdle on the way up is I've projected both of those from the new low, and that comes in around that 342 area. And then I also ran a retracement of the prior high to low swing, and that overlapped that area perfectly. So the way I have to look at it is that if we're going to continue to rally from this last decision in Boeing, we need to clear this hurdle by a decent margin to have the expectations that we're going to continue towards that target. And if we don't, well, you know what? There's nothing wrong with at least going to a break-even stop, because if there's going to be a failure instead, this is the area that we have to watch for that possible failure. So, I'm in it right now, but I'm very careful to watch to see if we're going to be able to clear this within the next few trading sessions or not.